Hi, I am Steve. Working as a software engineer at Office Solutions. Let's start. This is the connected scatter plot. A connected scatter plot is a type of data visualization that represents the data of X and Y, most specifically numerical data, through dots and then make the connection on dots according to some common value. Here we will use legends. Let me take the data first. Here I am choosing the region for legend data, sales for Y data, and price each unit as X data, and yup. Let me remove the logo of the organization. For this let me put license key first. And yup, logo removed. You can also give the styles to this chart. The styles include color change, dot to star, bar color and the line width. Here I am choosing the dot color to give the dot style. Let's take something else. Give the size or diameter to the dots. Now let us increase the stroke width of line by just typing the value. You can easily see the corresponding names attached to the fields. On clicking the line, other lines hide. And this helps to focus on the clicked line. You can also use the drop-down to toggle between the connected scatter chart, swarm chart, and at last the joint plot chart. Here is the swarm chart. Here are the Y values used as we used before in the connected chart, and the X values used to show the diameter of the circles. Let's move on the joint plot chart. Here we have given the colors that can be dynamically changed by the user. The joint plot shows the histogram above and right on the main diagram. The main diagram is the usual dot plot. You can easily see the bars are shown on that part where the circles are present only. You can also use the user settings to toggle the various available features, which includes X selection, Y selection, legend selection, and chart selection, on or off. You can also make axis hide or visible. Hope this may help to visualize your data. Thank you.